So here's Riot Mobile App. So there you have it. It's an official companion app for Riot Games, personalized to keep you connected to the players, content, and events you care about most. Made to support Leagues of Legends, Valorant, Wild Rift, Teamfight Tactics, and Legends of Runeterra. So that's the app. Discover new experiences, multi-game news, esports on the go, earn rewards. So that's the idea in here, which you can try to use. And yeah, so then you just have it like that. So this is the app. And then yeah, you can just open it up. Then you can see Riot Mobile, so you can sign in with Google, Facebook, Xbox, PlayStation, or Riot account. So let's just try to sign in here. And then you just need to create an account from here if you played it. So you need still to link your existing Riot account from here. That's how you get started.